never had to count this large number of mail-in ballots and have an in-person election. So we thought that we had timed it right, but truthfully, we've never done it before this, in this large number.
I think it's kind of crazy. They said that it would come down to this, but I don't think anyone really believed that we'd be sitting here still trying to figure out who the next president's going to be. And I don't think anyone's feeling too good about, this possibly going to the Supreme Court or him trying to stop or forestall the counting of the ballots. So, I think everybody's just got this like a sense of anxiety right now, and we're just trying to see what happens.